remembrance.
Recording.
Welcome back, Bleek Riders. Today we're going to get a tattoo. On the Dinah, rip and roar. Let's go explore. Here on a windy Sunday in Iowa, I find myself in Valley Junction, just on the outside of Des Moines. Beautiful day out, actually, besides the wind. Let's take a look at the bike. Alright, well, here we go. Fuck yes! That is perfect. That is what we wanted. And this will be the best ink and ride yet. So, some context. Now that we're out here in nature, we can commune with the long lost spirits of our past. Today I got this little tattoo. And it's actually a memorial. It's a memorial tattoo to a man who's no longer with us. My wife's dad, Big Bill. Big Bill was a heck of a man. Weirdo at heart. Loved him. He had a personality bigger than life itself. And he had a tattoo up on his arm of the Harley bar and shield with some wings. And I had known for some time I was going to be getting some motorcycle-oriented ink. What better place to start than honoring someone who left an impact on me and whose daughter turned out to be the love of my life. Yeah, so today's ride is really a celebration of the life of a man who I rather enjoyed. Called him the man, the myth, the legend that was Big Bill Freeman. And I think he would have liked this tattoo. Right there, whenever I'm twisting throttle, he can ride with me. Alright, back on the bike. Enjoying our ride. The ride out here isn't very long. Just a few quiet roads and a handful of turns. Right here there's a place where the trees open up. I think we'll be able to see the river moving. Right here's the kind of place you pass 100 times without stopping. Till one day you do. You find something spectacular. Kill the engine. Rivers have a way of putting things in perspective. They've been moving long before any of us showed up, and they'll keep moving long after we're gone. Same current, same patient rhythm, water slipping past bank and stone, without hurry and without apology. Time works the same way. Doesn't stop for grief. Doesn't slow down for memory, it just keeps moving. Me? I'm not like the river. More like the leaves that fall into it. For a little while I float along the surface, catching the light, spinning in the current, touching lives around me. Eventually the water carries me somewhere else. The river remains. But the ripples I made while I was here, hopefully they'll linger a while. None of us are permanent, but the marks we leave on each other, they might be. Like after every great think session, I'm back on the bike. That's the thing about stopping somewhere quiet like the river. I can stand there for a while and run through my thoughts, drift through my thoughts, let things settle, remember a few things that probably needed remembering. Sooner or later, the road always calls me back. I adorn my gear and I put everything else in the mirror. The motor wakes up, a little bit of shake, and the moment passes. For me, motorcycles have always been good for doing just that. They give me space to think, but they never let me stay in my head too long. The road keeps moving, and the wind keeps pushing forward, and before long, the world starts creeping back in. Street lights and road lights and smell of food somewhere up ahead. Life returning to all its ordinary noise. I didn't get that tattoo today to stay stuck in the past. I got it to remember someone who mattered to me. My wife's dad. The strange guy, the kind of man who didn't always make sense of the world around him, but loved his family. And he left a mark on me. The symbol meant something to him, and now it means something to me. And the truth is, the people we lose don't really need monuments. They don't need marble statues or speeches. Most of the people I've known who mattered would have simply preferred or been perfectly happy with something like a good ride, meal with friends and family, and a table full of laughter and stories. That's the balance of life. Carry the memory, but I keep moving forward. The road's still in front of me. Motorcycles have always been a pretty good reminder that life isn't meant to sit still. Now I twist the throttle, lean in the corner, watch the miles roll by, knowing it's not forever. Just long enough to make the ride count. Today's road's gonna lead somewhere simple. Kung Fu Tap and Taco. A few friends waiting inside, nothing fancy. Just good people and a little time together. You know, life's loud, messy, beautiful. Keeps moving. I did Google, can I have a drink? It said, yeah, you can have one beer. Don't make it a habit of having too many. It'll mess up the tattoo. Just like that, the river keeps flowing. So does Bleek Rides. If you like this video, will you show it? Hit that like button. If you haven't already and you'd consider it, will you subscribe? Takes you a moment. It's free and it means the world to me. If you want to stay up to date on all things Bleek Rides, the rides, the reviews, the memorial tattoos, go ahead and ding that bell. And with that, I'll say if you can, hey, just ride.
Badass.